Hello, and welcome to EDW Business Solutions. My name is Evelyn Wilkinson, founder and CEO of EDW Business Solutions. My team and I created this educational video for all new customers to help you understand exactly how our annual tax preparation services work, what we need from you, and how we help maximize your tax filing each year. This video is designed to save you time, reduce unnecessary phone calls, and allow our team to focus on what matters most, accurately analyzing your information and preparing your tax return with the highest level of care. By the end of this video, you will understand how annual taxes work, who should file a tax return, how we help maximize your filing, what income and expenses to record, how to access our client portal and tax software, what to expect for refunds, amendments, and audits, and our billing structure and monthly service options. Let's get started. How annual taxes work. Your annual taxes are calculated based on your adjusted gross income, not simply your total gross income. Adjusted gross income means your income after allowable deductions and qualified expenses are applied. For example, if your household earned $100,000 during the year and you had $30,000 in qualified business expenses, your taxes are calculated on $70,000, not $100,000. At EDW Business Solutions, our goal is to help you legally lower your taxable income by identifying all eligible income categories, deductions, and credits available to you. Who should file annual taxes? You generally must file an annual tax return if any of the following apply. You earned income above the IRS standard deduction threshold. You are self-employed or an independent contractor and earned $400 or more. You owe special taxes such as self-employment tax or alternative minimum tax. You received investment income, capital gains, rental income, unemployment, retirement distributions, or gambling winnings. You must also file if you worked multiple jobs, experienced a life change such as marriage or divorce, lived abroad as a U.S. citizen, had foreign bank accounts or cryptocurrency activity, sold a home or business, or had health insurance through the marketplace. Dependents may also need to file if they earned income above IRS limits, had investment income, or had self-employment income over $400. Age alone does not eliminate the filing requirement. Retirees and seniors must file if they receive taxable Social Security, pensions, required minimum distributions, or investment income. Even if you are not required to file, you should still file if you want to receive a refund of taxes withheld from your paycheck, or claim valuable tax credits such as child tax credits, earned income credits, education credits, or energy credits. Common misunderstandings. Some common misconceptions we hear include, I didn't get a W-2, so I don't file. I was paid in cash, so I don't file. I didn't make much money, so I don't file. All three statements can be incorrect. Filing requirements depend on income type, not just paperwork. How EDW helps maximize your tax filing. To help maximize your tax return, we need to understand all income-producing activities you worked on during the tax year. This includes side businesses or projects such as consulting, delivery services, maintenance work, home healthcare, babysitting, coaching, board services, or any activity that generated income. Your side business does not need to be formally registered. Many clients operate as freelancers or contractors under their Social Security number. However, employment wages reported on a W-2 cannot be treated as a side business, since your employer already claims those expenses. If you do have a registered business, we will need to know how it is structured, such as a sole member LLC or an S corporation. This information is found on your IRS EIN letter. We also strongly recommend keeping business transactions separate from personal accounts whenever possible. Recording business income properly. To avoid the IRS classifying your business as a hobby, income must be recorded accurately. This includes cash income from customers, investment income, such as personal funds loaned to the business, and gift in kind income, including donated supplies or donated labor. Gift in kind income should be recorded at fair value as income and later expensed when used. Proper documentation protects your deductions. EDW Client Portal and Tax Worksheet. To speed up your tax preparation process, we encourage you to complete your tax worksheet electronically through our secure client portal. To request portal access, please text 904-999-7724, and a customer service representative will create your account. Once registered, you can access the portal at edwsolutions.com. Your login is your primary email address, and your password is the last 4 digits of your telephone number, not your social security number. For added security, a 6-digit verification code will be sent to you by text message. Once you enter that code, you will have full access to your client portal. Detailed instructions will be sent on how to complete your worksheet and upload documents. We highly recommend reviewing all sections carefully, as many expense categories are commonly overlooked. If you are unable to access the portal or prefer assistance, you may request a phone appointment to complete the worksheet with our team. Tax software process. EDW Business Solutions provides tax preparation services, not tax software. Our preferred personal tax software is FreeTax USA, where federal filing is free and state filing is typically under $20 per state. Corporate filings are completed using TaxAct, which includes a software processing fee paid directly to the provider. To assist with your filing, we will need your tax software login credentials. Once your invoice is paid, you will receive a secure access code from the software that you will text back to us, so we can assist with your return. Estimating your tax refund. Our goal is to help you recover approximately 60% or more of your federal withholding, or reduce your tax liability as much as legally possible. A simple refund estimate is calculated by adding total federal withholding, multiplying by 60%, then adding $2,000 per qualified dependent under age 16, if applicable. This is only an estimate, and actual results may vary. Amendments and audit preparedness. If you believe prior tax returns were not maximized, we can review and amend returns for up to the last 3 years. The IRS may audit returns for up to 7 years, so we recommend retaining receipts and documentation for at least that long. Proper records are the key to protecting your credits. Monthly subscription services. Tracking expenses year-round can be overwhelming. With EDW Business Solutions monthly subscription services, we categorize transactions, reconcile accounts, and provide clarity on your financial position, so tax season becomes simple and stress-free. Annual tax preparation is included with monthly services. Visit our website for more details and to sign up for our monthly services at edwsolutions.com. Billing, referrals, and support. All EDW Business Solutions services are prepaid. An invoice will be issued once your tax worksheet is completed and all required documents have been submitted. Our annual tax preparation fees are as follows: $200 for federal filing, Washington, D.C. filing, or Canada filing, $100 per state filing, and $50 for consultation assistance with completing your tax worksheet. We also appreciate referrals. When you refer family or friends who file their taxes with EDW Business Solutions, you will receive a $10 referral credit per client per year, applied directly to your invoice. These referral credits accumulate year after year, rewarding you for long-term loyalty. If you need assistance at any time, our support team is here to help. You may call or text 904-999-7724 or email help@edwsolutions.com. A team member will respond within 24 hours. Thank you for choosing EDW Business Solutions. We appreciate your trust and look forward to serving you year after year as we continue educating our community on how to develop generational wealth.